Okay, Microsoft Forms works great inside of Microsoft Teams. There's a couple of ways that you can get your best use out of this particular function inside of Teams. One way is to come over here on your apps, and you can see right away that I can pick Forms and I can add it. I've obviously already added it to it, but when you do, you just add it to a team. But then there's going to be a couple ways that you can actually share some of those forms that you want to share. So I want you to look down here at the bottom, and you can kind of see on my options, there is a Forms button underneath my little dialog box down there. And when I click that, it's going to open up what's just a poll, and I can add questions to this if I want to, or I can add options, excuse me. This is just a poll question, so I can add my options underneath there, and I can ask a question to them. I can still toggle this on and off to see if it's a multiple answer or not, but that's just a quick pulse type of way to use Forms inside of a team. The other way is up here is I can put a form in here by adding a tab up at the top, and you can kind of see right there that Forms is an option for me to pick, and then I can either create one right here, or I can definitely probably already go pick one of those ones. Here's the one that I just made for that video that we were watching, and now it's going to pop up in here as opposed to there. And then the last way that you might want to use this particular way is going to your assignments tab, and you'll notice that if I come over here and I say create, and I say let's say I pick a quiz, right? I notice when this pops up, Forms is right there as well, and then it's going to pop up with all of my different possible quizzes or forms that I've created, and I can pick those and put that in my assignments for my students to complete.